Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today I'm going to be talking to you about discussions in Connect. In Connect, as in traditional classrooms, discussions are a great way to get students to demonstrate knowledge and reflect on what they know. They're also a great place to encourage and support critical thinking, consensus building, and community building. They're managed through the discussion tool. In a unit, discussions fit within their own tiered hierarchy. This hierarchy goes forum, topic, thread, reply. Forum is the highest level. This is like a folder or some other organisational grouping for discussion topics. You could organise forums by purpose, where they fit into the course, put all your discussions in one forum, or however else you might find useful to organise them. Topics are, as the name suggests, the discussion topics. You could have a number of different discussion topics within a forum, each posing different topics for students to respond to. Threads and replies are the directions that the discussions go in. To respond to the discussion topic, users must post a new thread or reply to an existing thread. In some circumstances, you may want students to start their own thread before they can read or respond to other threads, as a way of eliciting a less filtered response. All posts in discussions, whether they're a forum, topic, thread, or reply, have a title and description field. Within the description field, it's possible to include links, photos, videos, or other media which can help flesh out a topic or allow for a range of responses. It's also possible to allow students to rate posts, to post anonymously, to require posts to be approved before going live, as well as to define the availability of a post. If you would like to be notified whenever other users respond, you can subscribe to that thread. Discussions are a great way to engage students, extend learning, and give students a voice in their learning environment. They can be valuable for use in debate, self-reflection, student support, gathering feedback, group work, demonstrating skills, and providing opportunities for student leadership.